The biggest song that I ever get in the history of my career. It's never bad man song. No, the song I go up on Billboard or Ramping Shop.
Right.
And the other song that I get the big rotation in America and UK and Europe are songs like Ramping Shop, songs like Cartel Completely, songs like Virginity, songs like Clarks. They are never got lyrics. You know what I mean? Straight up. So that means that the people them worldwide are more drawn to the other commercial songs because I never have gotten a gun song in rotation yet.
Yet? Never?
Never. One. Yeah. Straight up.
So you hear it live now. Cartel are telling us everything, you know. Trust me.
Everything. This is the pre-best of the best interview.
Pre-best of the best of the best interview. Swift kicks, sneaker wipes. Yeah man, spun to the tip, pick them up every time.
And it wipe leather Clarks too.
Yeah.
Everybody happy ask when me get me Clarks. Oh.
Best of the best 2000.